This is my first attempt at a YouTube video. This is just a small introduction of my very first YouTube video. So I am mainly gonna focus on like automotive / diesel. I do have a 2017 Nissan Titan with the 5.0 Cummins. I know, it's a Nissan. Without further ado, we're gonna start off with, I got this package from Z1 Motorsports, this reseal kit for my turbo. Enough yapping, and I'm gonna get to taking this thing apart. I'm back. This is the turbo. I'm gonna start by removing this connector here. I think it's just 3 bolts. Could be wrong. Like nothing. ¿Qué te dije? I'm gonna have to remove the wastegate. So something I like to do once I've removed bolt and removed the part, I like to put them back where they came off of. That way when I'm going back together, I know where the bolts go to. Este es un turbo y este es el otro.
¿El camioneta nomás trae uno o trae dos?
Tuyo nomás uno. Esto no sé ni de dónde venga.
No tiene que estar ahí.
Adentro no tiene que estar. Oh, ya sé de dónde. Mira. Del otro turbo se le salió.
Se aflojó el sello.
Y no tiene juego. Oh, take this thing apart. There's that side with the wastegate. Here's my turbo. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna separate the turbo, and then I'm gonna see if I can take the turbine out so we could see better. Chilly out here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh shit. See, it kind of snapped in half. So most likely gonna have to either find a new rebuild kit or order a new turbo. But for those of you who know how turbos work, you know that this isn't gonna be normal, right? I do not have the right size snap ring pliers with me right now. These are the ones I have. They're not big enough, so I'm just gonna clean up my mess and then call it a day.